Oh, hi, everybody. Um, we are live on Instagram and Facebook right now. And today, well, first of all, my name is Crispina French, and I am a lifelong silkscreen artist as well as a textile recycling artist. And today, well, for the last, let's see, this is day number 12, or maybe it's not day, I think it's 12, number 12, in my 30-day challenge to give you ideas and suggestions of how to be more environmentally minded during the holiday season. So rather than consuming a bunch of crap that nobody wants, think about ways you can gift people things that are really meaningful and thoughtful and kind and kind of brighten their day. Yesterday I was on Facebook and I read a statistic, and I can't remember it right now, which is typical behavior for me, but it was like billions, $16 billion worth of gifts are given to people who are thrown away after the holidays. 16 billion, if that's right. I'm going to look it up and I'll post it on here later today. But regardless, even if it was 16 million, which it's not, think about that, you guys. All of that time that you worked hard for money that you saved to gift somebody something that was unappreciated and ditched after the fact. Hi, everybody. Hi, Chandler. Hi, Candy Girl. Hi, Judy. Hi, Carson Quilts. Woo! Carolyn Grimaldi. How you doing, girl? So yeah, don't think about giving people gifts that you're not sure whether or not they're going to like them, and don't spend money on stuff that is maybe not the best environmental choice. So I'm in the studio today, and I plan on doing a gift guide this week, but my week is so crazy because I have the holiday shindy coming up on Saturday and Sunday, which we talked a little bit about yesterday. And that is our biggest selling event of the year. And I thought, sure, I'll do the live at 11 all the way through the holiday season. And it's really fun to be here with you guys. And I so appreciate everybody who's tuning in. It's just awesome. I'm really so thankful for each one of you. So if you, so anyways, let me get back to the thing. So today I'm in the print shop and I'm making kitchen towels, and kitchen towels are a really great gift, whether they're the kitchen towels that we make at the Dolphin Studio or some other cool kitchen towel, because they're useful and they're not that expensive, and you can support people who make beautiful kitchen towels in the process. There's a lot of screen printers who make nice towels, and my girlfriend, who will be part of our gift guide as we get a little closer to the holidays, my girlfriend Sherry Moraga lives out in Boulder, and we went to college together, and this girl makes really great kitchen towels. So her company is called Leo's Dry Goods, and that is just a little precursor to when I'm here with her product to show you on camera. So the kitchen towels I'm making today, hold on, I'm coming right back, I didn't go anywhere, hold on. This is the first color. So it's kind of hard to imagine. What do you think, you guys? What do you think is going to be next? Let me show ya. We're going to make them in kind of Christmassy colors. So the screen for the next color is here. Can you guys see that? It's a basket. This design was made by my dad. And we have been unearthing all sorts of cool like sketchbook art and things that my dad made, and my mom, actually both of them. Over the last few months, my sister and I have been digging through the old family homestead and finding like awesome stuff. And we're kind of repurposing some of the designs that we are coming across as kitchen towels. We're going to put together a collection of greeting cards. Greeting cards are another really nice thing that you can do for the holidays that are very inexpensive and really meaningful. To send someone a letter in the mail, like forget the gift, write them a note. Handwritten on a card that's beautiful that you picked out for them. And actually, beginning soon, I'm not sure exactly how soon, but actually we could even do it for beginning right now. If you join the Dolphin Studio mailing list, beginning today, December 11th, is it? I am losing track of the days. Today's Wednesday, the 11th, yeah. If you join our mailing list at thedolphinstudio.com, we will send you a greeting card in the mail that you can send on to your friend. So it'll be a blank card. It'll come to you with a stamped envelope, and all you got to do is write out something thoughtful and kind and send it in the mail to somebody that you have been thinking about and haven't reached out to in a while. And you are going to be so blown away at the response you get from that friend. People love to receive, especially handmade things in the mail. When's the last time you got something in the mail that someone actually wrote on with a pencil or a pen? It's been a while, I bet. So today is a little bit of a disjointed segment of my Live at 11's Planetary Rescue series, but I really appreciate you guys being here with me, rolling with it. So the kitchen towels that I'm showing you now, I'll show you when they're done. And then there's another design that we're also working on, so that we're going to have 2 different style kitchen towels at the Dolphin Studio. And like I said, pop over there, thedolphinstudio.com. You can learn more about what we do and see some pictures of the other people involved, because it's my whole family. It's me and my kids, my sister and her kids, our husbands. We're all involved in the business, and I'd love for you to pop in there and join the mailing list and get a card in the mail. I think it'll be really cool. So thank you, Sarah, for tuning in. Thank you, Marla. Oh, and Peter and Gillian, or is that Jillian? I'm sorry. And wow, thank you so much, Lisa. Oh, wow, you guys are awesome. So have a really great Wednesday. Happy hump day out there, everybody. And tune back in tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for some more tips and tricks and ideas and just fun thoughts to have for the holidays. And if you have suggestions, I mean, I'm not the person that, I really don't know that much about this stuff. I'm just sharing my ideas. So if you guys have ideas, pop a message in that field that says write a comment here, because then we can all learn about your ideas and maybe I can even share them here. So thank you so much again, and have a great hump day. Happy hump day.